Automation Direct sells thousands of high-quality enclosures, including Quadritalia Modular Enclosures. These modular enclosures can easily be assembled on-site with only a few common tools to fit any application. Quadritalia Modular Enclosures are available as kits that include all the necessary components and hardware to assemble a complete NEMA 12 rated freestanding single door, double door, or dual access enclosure. All components can be ordered separately for replacement or to custom build your enclosure. Numerous accessories are also available, including plinths, mounting channels, and folding desks. Modular enclosures provide numerous benefits, including the ability to cut holes on individual panels before assembly or by removing the panel. Damaged panels can easily be replaced, and panels can be combined or replaced with larger ones for future expansion. For more information, please see AutomationDirect.com, your common sense way to buy industrial controls.